niggas want to slide, right? Y'all niggas want to be sliders, right? Oh my fucking gosh. Huh? Just slide in the damn car. Damn. But I thought the tire was good, but that shit looked like it's ready to explode. Shit. Damn. Y'all want to slide, right? That motherfucker look like it's an air bubble in that motherfucker. Damn. Ray ass was right to change my motherfucking tire. God damn, I was gonna keep on riding on this bitch too.